7 ways to prevent new variants COVID-19 Omicron. 1. Getting a complete dose of vaccine. The COVID-19 vaccine is an important effort to prevent infection with severe symptoms and death. A higher level of vaccination can reduce the chances of the coronavirus to spread and develop into new variants like Omicron. On November 29, 2021, the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, has provided guidance for injections of booster. The guide said, all adults who had received the COVID-19 vaccine were advised to get a booster injection at least 6 months after the second dose of the RNA messenger vaccine, mRNA, or 2 months after the Johnson & Johnson vaccine. 2. Obey quarantine regulations when traveling. For those who have the interest to travel abroad, still comply with quarantine rules is an obligation. In addition, keeping the distance when going down from transportation and obey the COVID-19 guidelines from local authorities when arriving at the airport, stations, ports must also be done. 3. Always wash hands. As has been recommended since the beginning of pandemic, washing hands is a simple way to prevent COVID-19. In addition to avoiding the risk of the coronavirus, diligently washing hands can prevent various diseases. Use soap and water when washing hands. If this is not possible, use hand sanitizer. 4. Increase immunity. In addition to discipline applying a health protocol, maintaining and increasing immunity is also important to prevent Omicron. Increase immunity with a healthy lifestyle, such as consumption of healthy and nutritious food, regular exercise, stress management, and adequate rest. If needed and recommended by a doctor, consumption of multivitamin supplements can also help maintain immunity. 5. Wear a mask correctly. Wearing a mask has been proven to be an effective way to prevent COVID-19. At present, wearing the N95 and KN95 masks during Omicron's surge is more recommended. However, wearing a medical mask can also prevent transmission. 6. Increase ventilation in the room. A closed room with air conditioning can increase the spread of viruses and bacteria. Therefore, it is important to regulate good ventilation in order to get smooth air circulation and sufficient sunlight. 7. Keep distance and avoid the crowd. If you are doing activities outside the home, be sure to always keep your distance and avoid the crowd to avoid the transmission of Omicron. The World Health Organization, WHO, also said that keeping distance is one of the best ways to prevent COVID-19.